Hello, my name is Curtis and I am the creator of EZInlays. This is a company I am building with one goal in mind, and that's to assist you, the craftsperson, in building items of interest and beauty out of exotic woods. My goal today is to show you how easy it is to craft heirloom quality items like this using nothing more than a plunge router. Okay, it's not just a plunge router, it's a plunge router equipped with one of these. Now make no mistake, this is a precision engineered tool that converts your plunge router into a handheld CNC machine. Let me show you how this works. The purpose of this bushing is to position your router bit on one side or the other of a cut line. The router bit's either on the inside of the cut line or it's on the outside of the cut line. When your router bit goes through the material, it removes this and creates this cut line. The line we are interested in is the line that begins where the inlay ends. When the bushing is on, the router bit is positioned on the inside portion of the cut line, so it removes all the material out to the cut line, and that is how you create your pocket or your void. When you take the bushing off, the router bit is then positioned on the outside portion of the cut line, and that is how you create your inlay. Because you use the same template to cut out your void and your inlay fits perfectly into the void. And that's where EZInlays comes in. We've developed a line of products that will guide your plunge router, allowing you the ability to create some amazing things. Things like coasters, Christmas ornaments, or an image that honors the rainbow trout of Yellowstone Lake. Now, all these things are made out of wood, so we have to adhere to the two basic rules of woodworking. And the first rule is sharp tools cut best. Now, we all know that, but if you're having troubles making your inlays work or fit together, try replacing your router bit. You'll be surprised at the difference it makes. The second rule is only one thing moves during the cutting process. Think of it this way. If you have your table saw and you're cutting something on it, you got your blade out here spinning and you push the wood through it. You don't got this action going on. Well, the same thing applies to an inlay. If your inlay material shifts at all during the cutting process, accuracy has been lost. Now, to prevent that from happening, we have this real high-tech solution called double-sided tape that we use to tape the inlay material to the backing material. And then using the same tape, we tape our template to the inlay material. Finally, we clamp that entire assembly to the workbench. So the only thing moving is your plunge router. And as your plunge router is being guided by one of our templates, you now have the ability to create some amazing things because you can create very precise cuts.